Hello and good morning, folks. Today is again time for a quick magic tips session. So, let's look at the first one, formulas. How to identify formulas in your Excel spreadsheet. Quickly, as I see, there are numbers, as you see here, numbers, and then we have formulas and functions here. How can I identify where are the formulas, where are the functions? Very, very, very easy. Simply press F5 button. You will go to the go to menu. Excel is asking you, what do you want? Simply go down here onto the special, and on the special, you can click on formulas, which will highlight all the formulas here. Ta-da! Simply go and give it a different color. And now all the highlighted are formulas and not highlighted ones are just values. Easy, isn't it? Let's move on to the next one. Simple as that. Copy everywhere. How you can copy something everywhere on your spreadsheet. If you want to copy something, write something in multiple cells, very easy. Just simply type the numbers, for example, 456, and control enter. Control enter, and it will copy everywhere you wanted to do it. Easy, isn't it? Then the random numbers, how you can write random numbers in your spreadsheet is equal to RAND and parentheses open and close. Enter, we have a random number here. Every time you will change the numbers, the refresh, the Excel spreadsheet, these numbers will change. You see? Numbers are changing. Now you want to limit it between certain numbers. So I will write here is equal to rand between even easier, which means that I can give a range from, for example, 500 to 1000, which means that now the numbers will appear only between 500 and 1000. Have a look at this red one. I will remove this one. You see, it's refreshing the random number between 500 and 1000. I hope you enjoyed it, fellows. Please do write your comments in the comment section. If you have some magic tricks you want to share with everyone else, put it down there. If you have questions and queries, write it down. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I look forward to speak to you very, very, very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.